3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. I've got a mic. Welcome back to my channel again, and it's me, Delisha. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, link. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification below. Yeah, here. Yeah, dyan ko ilalagay. So, anyway guys, today I'm going to part 2 unboxing. So, yun nga. So, ito. Yan. This is lavalier, blah blah blah. Okay, tongue twisting. Lavalier microphone user manual. So, yeah. Ito yung manual niya. Ito yung yan. Yan. Ito yung so, ito yun. So, this is the items. Is siya. So, actually, I've already used it. So, this is the yan siya. So, nakakabit siya. It's attached on my phone. So, attached lang siya sa phone ko. And then, that's it. So, let's check what's inside the, not the box, a plastic. So, first, it has a manual. So, this is the item, which is this one. And it has a pouch. And then we'll see. Yeah, it's only that. Just a pouch and this. So we'll see. Yes. And then it has, so this is my, what do you call this one, babe? Lapel? Yeah. So this is, it's a microphone for, it's a lavalier microphone. Yeah, this is cute microphone for people doing vlog and learn how to shout. So and this is what you're going to push in your phone. So for now, I don't have any basta yun. So, talaga kulang sa tukod. Yan, ganyan lang siya. So, pwede siya if meron kayong ilalagay dito. Ano ba ito? Pwede gamitin nyo kung meron kayong headset. Yan, ito. Ito yung for the phone na isasaksak mo siya. And then, ito yung mic mo. Ganyan lang. And according dito sa manual, so, this is the manual. So, microphone, mic, it has a microphone section, 3.5mm plug, and 3.5mm earphone port, 2 metal clips, and 1.5mm cable. So this is the 1.5mm cable, and this is the instruction and dimension. So this is the features. We'll see what is the usage. Features: professional grade lavalier mic with 4-section plug, high quality omnidirectional condenser capsule, compatible with Apple iPhone. So compatible siya ng iPhone, iPad, iPad Touch, Samsung, Windows devices, etc. So yun, compatible naman siya. So included microphone, metal clip, mic foam, user manual. So this is the user manual and comply with CE, RO, HSFCC. So I don't have any idea. Binasa ko lang. So specification type, consider microphone, polar pattern, omnidirectional, blah blah blah. Operation puts install a cake sound software into your mobile. Plug the mic into a phone and clip it. On your lapel. So this is a lapel. Lapel pala. Lapel, open the software. So, can freely sing, recording your songs. Yeah, so you can use this for singing, for vlogging, for recording songs, and after saving, then share it with your friends. You can sing on network karaoke with your friends. Yung maganda dito yung mga features niya. So note, use check on 3.5 mm and 4 section flash is suitable for you and devices, otherwise it will not work. So okay, hold on. Once you want to listen music on phones, you need to unplug the earphone to the port. So that's why, like for example, I'm plugging my phone. So, or I can hear my phone or previously unplugged if it's working. So, I have to unplug it and listen my recording. And number 3, never open the microphone by yourself. When having a friend, please contact customer care for replacement to our host. Talaga? Really fun, no? So yeah, this is yun lang. I guess I bought that one 9 pounds. Yeah, 9 pounds because it's still on sale. So 9 pounds. I bought that 9 pounds. Yeah, I guess for 9 pounds for that. And then I have another mic as well for recording, but I didn't use that. I just want to collect lang mga ganun. So pasensya na kayo guys. Kulang ako sa tulog talaga. Hindi pa ako natutulog since kagabi. Then may ginagawa ako. So thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel here or here. So that's it. That's my video and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.